are gathered here to discuss about the topic case study which is related to our multiplexer. It is one of the topic, it is related to combination circuits. Okay, combination circuits which VP produces the output depending upon what is the input. In that, the combination circuit, the multiplexer, it is used for data transmission. Coming to multiplexer, it is having multiple input, and out of this multiple input, we will get only one output. The applications related to multiplexer we are using nowadays in communication part, and also in routing we are using that. And in many central processing unit we are using the multiplexer concept. Now you can take one case study related to the multiplexer and discuss for few more minutes, and you can start your small discussion related to multiplexer. Okay, we can start the discussion, and individual you can share your ideas.
Why we need a multiplexer? Multiplexer, which is also called as the mux or data selector, that takes multiple input signals and passes only one of them to the output based on the control or selection line. To put it simple, as like a railway junction track, many trains may come from different directions, but only one of the track is chosen at a time for the train to move forward. In the same way, multiplexer also allows us to choose only one input, and that allows us to pass to the output based on the selection line. This concept is very important because without a multiplexer we would need separate connections or wires for each input, and that would increases the waste of space, and it also increases the hardware complexity and increases the space also. So by using the multiplexer we would use the connections more effective, efficient and easy manner.
About the real-life problems in MUX. MUX is an electronic device that selects many inputs from one input and send it to a single output, like just like the railway train. The switch deciding which train goes on the main line. Here are the real-life examples we are facing day by day. One is the TV remote, then traffic light controller, smart agriculture, CPU databases and telephones, and the music systems. Here we can see one by one. In TV remote, we are seeing many channels in the TV, and all the time we are seeing only one channel at a time. In a traffic light controller, the yellow, red and green lights are proceeding as follows. All the time we are seeing just only one. In the smart agriculture system, the temperature, the pHs and everything is going on, but in a time we are seeing just only one. That is related to a single output. Many input gives the single output. Then in CPU computer databases, there are a lot of memories, but we are seeing just only one output in a memory. Again, in a telephone, the single person can attend only one line at a time, a single time. In the music and audios, we are having multiple of these speakers and audios in the tracks, but we are choosing only a single output while performing.
Now we are moving on to the solutions of multiplexer. Firstly, multiplexer is nothing like it is a kind of having so many inputs and the selected inputs and providing a single outputs, and it is also known as the data selector. And in the solution of multiplexer, there will be 4 steps. And firstly, choose the mux size. Mainly, for example, like for 3 variables, there will be 8 to 1 mux, and for 2 variables, there will be 4 to 1 mux. And secondly, the variables, assign variables or select the lines. The input should be selected and the output will be the single output. And thirdly, to determine the data inputs, that is, we should be prepared the truth table for them. And finally, the connect and to be simplified. These are all the steps should be included in the solutions. These are all the things in the solution part.
We discuss about the applications of multiplexers like data selector and implement implementation of logic functions, and in arithmetic memory circuits, and in control applications, in display systems, and debugging circuits, and parallel to series multiplexer signal conversions, and communications of signal analysis systems. Like more than first of all, data selectors. In data selector, we give many input to the multiplexers, and it selects only one input, and it gives the single outputs. And in implementation of functional or logic circuits, it can implement the Boolean expressions by using the multiplexers by in the way of properly correct the input systems. And in the arithmetic circuits, it can select the different logical operations or the different arithmetical properties like addition, subtraction, and or and XOR and many gates like AND OR gates. And in the control systems, it can controls the multiple inputs. In the multiplexers, it only choose the one inputs, and it gives the corrected signal output processing. And in the display systems, like we generate like a signal waves in communication systems or transferring in like any other applications. It would be used as the multiplexer rules, and its output to be clarified by the signal processes. And in the debugging circuits, we use multiplexer in many circuits like encoder, decoder, etc. And it gives a clarified outputs.
Selected output. Initially, signal routine, flexibility, data transmission, scalability, time cycle. Conclusion. A multiplexer is here. Electronic device. Showing basic, fast effectiveness, inconsistent performance of the digital system.
Students, we have discussed about the multiplexer. It will be mainly used in routing part, and in the function generator it will be used, and for the data communication networking also it will be used. In day-to-day life also, the multiplexer role is very important. Okay, thank you for the discussion.
Thank you.